Today we are going to discuss some bits from the 13th group elements. The first bit is the type of hybridization of boron in diborane is what? First option sp hybridization, second option sp2 hybridization, third one sp3 hybridization, fourth one sp3d2 hybridization. Just see the structure of diborane. Boron and hydrogen between forming compounds are called boranes. Diborane formula is what? B2H6. Regarding this, some other bits, whatever these hydrogens are what? Terminal hydrogens. So diborane contains 4 terminal hydrogens, 2 bridge hydrogens. Now you can estimate here boron linked with how many bonds and what will be the hybridization. That is only you analyze. And second bit, this is also related to the boron compound. Specify the coordination geometry and hybridization of nitrogen and boron atoms in complex of BF3 and NH3. So just imagine the formation of NH3 and BF3 formation. Just see here structure. This is NH3. Central atom nitrogen as one lone pair, and BF3 central atom as one vacant orbital. During the formation of bond between them is coordinate covalent bond. Arrow mark, it is denoted by arrow mark from donor to acceptor side. And now you can analyze here 1 lone pair, 3 bond pair, and it can donate electron pair. This one only 3 bond pair, 1 vacant orbital, and here 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. Lone pair plus bond pair equal to hybrid orbital. So the hybridization is sp3. Due to the presence of 1 lone pair, structure is pyramidal. And BF3 has having only 3 bond pairs, sp2 hybridization without any lone pair, trigonal planar. Here check this one, both shows sp3 hybridization. Now see the question. Specify the coordination geometry, structure and hybridization of nitrogen and boron atoms in BF3 and NH3. First option, nitrogen tetrahedral sp3, boron tetrahedral sp3. Second option, nitrogen pyramidal sp3, boron pyramidal sp3. Third option, nitrogen pyramidal sp3, boron planar sp2. Fourth option, nitrogen pyramidal sp3, boron tetrahedral sp3. Just see this one, and this you can use for the formation of coordinate covalent bond also. And another bit, this type of question repeated in many times in the competitive examination. And now this bit is, which of the following is not a protonic acid? In class also we discuss it. This is BOH taken thrice means it is a boric acid. This is H3PO3, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. This is H2SO3 sulfurous acid. This is H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Among these acids, you can estimate which one is not a protonic acid. And the fourth bit, which of the following does not exist in free state? Here given options are what? Boron halides, BF3, BCl3, BBr3, BH3. The boron halides are easily formed. All the boron halides are acts as Lewis acid. All the boron compounds, boron halides, boron shows sp2 hybridization. But boron and hydrogen between forming compounds are called boranes. Boron and hydrogen between only BH3 is formed. But BH3, how it can exist, you can analyze. And today fifth bit, the structure of diborane B2H6 contain. First option, 4 2-centered 2-electron bond and 2 3-centered 2-electron bond. Second option, 2 2-centered 2-electron bond and 4 3-centered 2-electron bond. And third option, 2 2-centered 2-electron bonds and 2 3-centered 3-electron bonds. And fourth option, 4 2-centered 2-electron bond and 4 3-centered 2-electron bond. Just see this structure, you can find very easily answer. So this is BH, 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 only here bond pairs. And this one is what? Boron, hydrogen, boron, 3-centered, but involving only 2-electron bond. So boron, H boron, boron, H boron, 3-centered 2-electron bond, 3-centered 2-electron bond, 2-centered 2-electron bond, 2-centered 2-electron bond, 2-centered 2-electron and 2-centered 2-electron bond. You can analyze this. Okay, just once listen these 5 questions and post your answers in YouTube only, not in WhatsApp group. Everyone subscribe, and just I am going to send like this everyday 5 questions like morning time, and try to attempt 5 bits and post your answers. Okay, thank you.